Hi, this is Jamar Brown with Successful Physicians Monthly. I'm with Mike Marlatt. Mike, how are you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing great. This is a great event.
Indeed it is, and we appreciate you being here. It's something that allows us to raise funds for the community for our outreach programs. We have programs of educational support. We do things such as Alzheimer's, autism, endometriosis, prostate cancer. We have free programs, and we go out to the community and educate them on those health issues. And this festivity allows us tonight to raise funds to reach out even further.
Excellent. Now, in terms of the community, it sounds like there's a lot of partnership that happens between the foundation and the community. Can you talk about how that works and some of the specific programs that you do in terms of outreach in the community?
Certainly. We have many partners, of course. First and foremost is the Riverside Medical Clinic, which is one of the largest multi-specialty physicians group in the state. And so we reach out with them and we look at and target different type of health needs in the community. So Humana now is somebody we're bringing aboard to help us out. We have the local hospitals come aboard and help us out. We look at other national organizations that have a footprint in Riverside. So for example, our big push right now is pediatric obesity. That's a big issue in the Inland Empire. And we also figure if we can get a child early on in their health process of life and get them to have healthy habits, it'll help them through life, reduce their risk of chronic diseases, and also it'll touch the family, because if you have the family looking at what their child is doing and what they're eating, they're not drinking sodas or drinking water or healthy juices, if they're walking and doing exercise, if they do those things, then that reaches out to the whole family. And that's what we want to do, is have an impact in this community and have it be a healthier place for all of us.
You know, that's such a great mission that the organization has, and I'm really impressed with what I read on the website and talking to the individuals in the organization about really trying to get out ahead of issues, to get out and reach the community and talk to parents and talk to children to help prevent some of the conditions that can happen long term if they don't take care of their health early on. So can you talk more about specifically the importance of that? I understand childhood obesity, but there's other areas as well that you guys touch.
As mentioned, the pediatric obesity is one of them, but we literally are looking at from cradle to grave type of programs. For example, pediatric obesity, very young in life. We have autism. That obviously affects younger people, but it progresses through life. We have a program in autism that we put on. We have Alzheimer's education. We had one of our major educational outreaches last year was a program on Alzheimer's and how it affects the whole family, how it affects the caregivers. And we reached out with that program and brought in sponsors on it. Then we have women's programs, like endometriosis is something that most people don't know that much about, but it can really affect women's lives. Excellent. We started the first educational support group for women with endometriosis that we're aware of, certainly in this region and arguably even nationally. Excellent. So we try to have a pretty broad brush on how we're affecting people in the community with our educational program.
If somebody wanted to get involved, whether to donate money or to attend some of the functions, tell me how they can get involved.
Well, I think the easiest way is what you referenced before, the website. Okay. Just going to our website, and we're looking for any type of participation that people feel comfortable in getting involved, whether it be certainly monetary, but even setting aside the money. If we have volunteers for our programs, help organize those. And we have a medical library too. People can help us with the library, come and get knowledge. Now, I realize a lot of things are online these days, but we have that. So going to our website is probably the easiest way to go.
Excellent. You guys have a great foundation. I appreciate the time and enjoy the rest of the festivities.
Well, thank you for your kindness of being here. Enjoy talking with you.
Thanks a lot, Mike. Appreciate it.
Thank you.